Life moves fast, and while many of us spend so much time planning for today, we neglect tomorrow. Estate planning is so much more than property and finances. It is about protecting the ones you love. And that is where Morris Hall comes into play. Today I am with Mr. Tim Hall, the senior partner of Morris Hall. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me today.
Thank you, glad to do it.
So, Mr. Hall, I want to talk to you to start off with what exactly is estate planning?
Well, it's organizing documents and procedures to protect people in the event of incapacity and certainly upon death, and to make sure that what you have goes to whom you want, when you want, how you want, with the least interference from creditors, government, anyone else.
And I find this quite interesting. AZ has a unique tax advantages compared to other states. Tell me about those and how those help Arizonans.
We are one of 9 community property states. The western United States, for the most part, came from the Spanish civil law. And if you prime property, when one person passes away, it'll wipe out all the capital gains tax. In other states, only half of it would be wiped out upon a first death, but if it's done correctly in Arizona, we can wipe out all the capital gains tax on the first death.
Here at Morris Hall, you guys do so many things. Talk to me a little bit about the asset protections.
Arizona is one of the very few states under the laws of which beneficiaries can be their own trustees and have asset protection. In almost all the other states, if they want any protection, they have to have an independent trustee. Nobody wants that because you have strangers or other people who are charging a lot of money and telling you what you can or cannot do with your assets. But under Arizona law, you can be your own trustee if it's set up properly and you have creditor protection.
And what are some common tax-related mistakes families make when they don't have a proper estate plan?
They don't handle the IRA, 401k, and 403b property, oftentimes resulting in extra income tax because of failure to plan properly or to have the wrong plan. Also, one of the real problems is people assume because they live in Arizona, they have all the benefits of community property. Well, that's not necessarily so. You have to actually convert assets to community property. And actually, even with retirement assets, you have to have special provisions so those get allocated properly to take advantage of all the laws that we have in Arizona.
And how can residents use estate planning to better safeguard their assets?
They want to make sure that if they become incapacitated, that the state doesn't step in, appoint an attorney, physician, social worker, which would happen. And when they pass away, they want to make sure the right people handle their affairs, but it does not go into probate. Probate is a fairly lengthy, expensive, and public process. Everybody knows your business, and again, there's no protection for the assets once it gets through probate. If it's set up properly, we can eliminate the publicity, we can minimize the cost, we can certainly reduce the time span and give protection to our beneficiaries.
And Mr. Tim Hall, you put the H in MH, and you have been able to help so many people protect their loved ones. What is just one of the things you love most about the work that you've done?
The people. Love meeting with people. They're great. And everybody has some good in them. And everybody has the desire to leave a legacy and to be protected and to live the life that they want to. And it's just a thrill to be able to help them. But we can help everybody under all their circumstances, and that's a thrill for me.
Well, Mr. Tim Hall, thank you so much for taking this time to educate us on exactly what estate planning is and what Morris Hall is doing in this incredible state of Arizona.
Thank you.